Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be drawing a mug of hot chocolate sitting on a table. For this project, you will need a piece of paper held vertically up and down, a pencil and an eraser, a Sharpie marker or black marker, and whatever coloring supplies you have at home, whether they're crayons or markers, whatever you have is just fine. We're going to start by drawing a horizontal oval in the center of our paper. Horizontal means that the oval is going from side to side, and we're going to draw that right in the center of our paper. Next, I'm going to draw two vertical lines down from the sides of that oval, and make sure that these vertical lines are the same length. Next, I'm going to connect both of those vertical lines with a curved line like a smile, a shallow curved line. This is going to be the bottom of the mug. The bottom curve of the mug should follow the same curve as the top rim of the mug. Next, we're going to draw the handle. Let me show you 4 different styles of handles that you could draw for your mug. You could draw a rounded handle, a squared or rectangular handle, a heart-shaped handle, or you could even kind of draw a handle that looks like a butterfly wing. For my mug, I'm going to draw a rectangular shaped handle. I'm going to go out horizontally, curved down, and then back over to the mug, and then I'm going to repeat that a second time inside of that shape to create the thickness of the handle. Inside of my horizontal oval for the top of my mug, I'm going to draw a curved line like a sad face, following that same curve as the top of that oval, to create the line for the hot chocolate in my mug. Now I'm going to draw the small little plate that my mug is sitting on. So a curved line from the left side over and down, and the same thing on the right side. Next, I'm going to draw the line for the table, and I'm going to draw a horizontal line from about the center of my mug going across on both sides. Make sure that these lines meet up with each other when you're drawing the line horizontally across. Next, I'm going to draw the marshmallows for my hot chocolate. I'm going to draw what looks like a rectangular shape, except I'm not going to draw the bottom part of my rectangle. Whatever lines that you don't need because you overlap other lines, you can erase those now. Then you can fix the shape of those marshmallows. And to show that the marshmallows are sitting in the hot chocolate floating on top of the surface, you're going to draw a horizontal line at the bottom of each of those shapes, but a little bit longer than the actual marshmallow shape. Now it's time to design your mug. You can create whatever designs you want on it. You can draw shapes, lines, you could even draw a picture if you would like. When you're done designing the mug, feel free to design the plate it's sitting on also. Let's create a checkerboard table that our mug will be sitting on. First, we're going to draw some horizontal lines going across. Then we can draw some vertical lines going across the paper as well. This will create a grid of boxes that we will later color in to look like a checkerboard. Now I'm just going to draw a few swirling wavy lines for the steam coming off of my hot chocolate. So I'm going to draw a wavy line and then I'm going to double that line to make it look like steam. You can even draw a wavy line going into a swirling line at the top and then double that as well. Now it's time to trace our pencil marks. When you're all done tracing, don't forget to erase your pencil marks before you start coloring. Now it's time to add some color. You could use whatever coloring supplies you have at home to color in your picture. If you have markers and would like to use them, feel free to do so. But if you have crayons or color pencils, oil pastels, or even watercolor paints, you could use any of those supplies to add color. When coloring in the checkerboard table, the trick to successfully coloring in your checkerboard is to color one row or column at a time. You color every other box one color, and then as you go to the next row or column, you color in the opposite boxes the same color. So every other box is going to be the same color. Then you go to this next row and you do the same thing, but it's opposite. So you have a pattern that you're creating. If you want to color in your boxes that are white later on with a second color, you can definitely do that. When you're all done coloring, don't forget to sign your name on your paper. I hope you enjoyed drawing your mug of hot chocolate today. Don't forget to have fun, be creative, and don't worry if you make a mistake. See you next time.